In this video, we travel to Ubud, Bali. And we do every single adventure activity possible. From ATVs to jungle carts to climbing volcanoes, we do it all. And we end the trip on a very special note. So sit back, relax and enjoy.
Welcome to Wanga.
So we finally made it to the other side. We've gotten lucky to have found a commuter at a very reasonable rate that's taking us to Ubud right now. So we don't mind the hour-and-a-half journey that's still ahead of us. But yes, we are hungry and I really need to use the loo. So see you on that side. Finally arrived at our stay. Let's hope it lives up to the pictures that we've seen online.
Wow, looks fantastic. A nice pool and these two rooms which are side by side.
Let's check out the inside.
This is the 3-bedroom. Oh wow, you have your own room. Lovely. Bathrooms also are great.
Nice and spacious. Plus we have a help over here, Eka, who's going to be giving us fresh fruit, making coffee for us. And our room,
Which is again just one single bed. I mean a queen size bed, but it's for 2 people. And this is the loo for us.
now that you guys have seen the place, seen the size, don't think we'll be able to use that in the afternoon in this heat. But given all of this, for 5 people, I think what we're paying for this place is very, very, very reasonable. We didn't expect it to be this good, honestly. 5 p.m. in the evening and we are out for lunch.
Sunset, sunrise.
It's all one. It's just been one long day.
You know you entered Ubud when you're seeing greenery everywhere. Place is so gorgeous. My goodness. I think we're going to have a good time here, guys.
Cinnamon. Everyone's ordered a coffee right after leaving Gili.
I cannot pay a dime. Now I have it hat trick. I can now me over.
So the reason he's getting excited is because since he's come here on the entire trip, everyone else has been paying. He says he feels like a 13-year-old who's come out with his family for a vacation. He has to make up for it. So now, for the entire Ubud trip, he is going to be paying.
No, I'm feeling that.
Now you're feeling that? Then you pay for the whole Ubud thing.
No, I need OTP. Renew my card.
Too good. So lunch is not happening because we've clearly stuffed ourselves with the starters only. So now direct dinner. No, first shopping, then dinner.
रात को आके मच्छी चुरा के गए थे तुम?
Why do you want to steal their fish, bro?
I don't even eat it. But you see, if you do this in India, right, there's no fish over there. My point is that.
Overnight,
see how
this pond will be empty.
Yeah.
The reason for the happiness and the smiles is, of course, you've seen where we are. You know what we're going to do. A tattoo, of course. But there's something unique in each tattoo that is going to signify the bond that we shared over the time of this trip and how special it was and what it meant to us. Everyone is getting a different design done, but there is one element that's going to be the same. Plus, I'm doing something really special. I won't tell you what the tattoo is. You have a look at that. But I'm going to put in a K somewhere in the tattoo for Kanu. I'm against tattoos in general, but I think I'm so overwhelmed with everything that's happened in this trip. It needs to be remembered. So we're finalizing the designs right now and we'll be back day after to get this done. Let's see. Hopefully it looks good. Okay, so where are we off to so early in the morning?
Sir Anup, let's go. Come. You need to make our payments.
Let's go! Today's the day, boy!
Bapre, I don't need to fast forward this footage.
Because it's a ritual now. You can't come to Bali and not do the ATV. Are you ready, boys? Are you ready?
Bro, this is gonna be mad, bro.
I'm excited. This journey here also was not bad. The ride was insane.
Yeah, he said the 80 ride has already begun.
Yeah.
Let's go, boys.
Ready?
Let's go. Let's go.
not tougher than a previous ATV trail, but definitely fun as well.
When the ride is over. How much did you collect? Oh God!
The last time we went to Green Bali Adventures, they had only some water that they were serving, the breakfast and stuff. But over here they have this fantastic mango soju.
Breakfast is here. Anu, what are you asking him?
How you went like this?
I'll be more the handle.
I catch up. I saw G. I'm like, okay, cool. G standing. So basically everybody else will be there. I saw Age Kaushik Bhai is off the track like this.
One tire is on the part and one tire is on the come back now.
Who doesn't know to ride a bike? At least we know, we are experienced because we come from India. We have this normal.
We're from Bombay, bro. We have enough practice.
But yeah, it is risky because the handle suddenly whacks back.
Yeah, exactly.
But I think it was too much fun, man. It was like fucking epic. Like
Yeah. Floating like this.
Waterfall, no.
Waterfall.
Beauty. And right after the waterfall, the skid.
Yeah.
That was mad.
But you need crazy forearm strength to be able to grip your bike properly.
Next time I'm coming with more forearms.
Boys, let's cheers to our very first ATV ride. Successful ATV ride.
Adventure sport number 2, Jungle Cut. This is our ticket for Jungle Cut. I'm not joking. You see.
Okay.
Everyone ready for Jungle Cut?
Tickets, please.
We have no idea what to expect, but let's see. This is the location. Now let's go check it out.
There's safety gear for the elbows. Anything for the knees?
Yeah, kneecaps.
Practice
We all
session.
pose around him.
Okay, I want to ask you guys, who do you think is going to topple first?
I guess the knee.
It could be me also.
I have no hopes on this group.
So we see go written here, which means that is probably the path that we're going down. And that has got my friend very, very concerned.
This is tough for guys above 6 feet.
It's so tiny.
That's what she said.
Everybody, welcome to Jungle Cut. Before I go, I need to explain how to use this cut, okay? So as you know, this cut has no engine, no electricity, and no pedal. So we are going down to the slope. It's new experience. And it looks like a toy, but sometimes it could cause trouble. So the main thing is the braking system. So it has 2 brakes, right brake for the right back tire, left brake for the left back tire. Front wheel has no brake. Okay, so you must pull both of the brake. If you press only one brake, the cut will be spinning, just like this, gently touch, and it's gonna be slow down. On the way down, if you not brake, you could be flew.
You could be flu.
This is a tour. This is not a race, okay?
Yeah.
So please ride as comfort as you can.
Let's go, let's go!
Ready, boys?
Lovely.
We just went down only 100 feet, I think, and it was mad. What speed! It's already crazy. How was it, bro? You're gonna have fun, bro. This is gonna be mad. Back at Twist Tattoo to check out the designs.
Wow. Sorry.
Let's see.
This is with a K. 1, 2, 4, 5.
So it's 10 past 2 in the morning and us boys are now heading for the Mount Batur trek. We've heard a lot about it, so let's see how it is. This better be worth it because you're sacrificing sleep. Again. Once again, there is something that Anup has never done before. Trekking. That to 2 in the morning, uphill. It only gets better and better. That's Morse code is asking for help. So for this trek, we have to walk uphill for around an hour and a half. This is a guy who has been here before. Yeah, he came here last time with his girl.
Wait and watch. Look at the view.
Obviously, there's nothing we can see right now, but we have this headgear to give us some vision while we're up there. But we're going to be at the top and waiting for the sunrise. Let's see. Sean says the view is going to be great, so being hopeful.
You have to do some stretches before we go.
Completed 90% of the trek already. We've been walking now for quite some time. Very tired, as you can see. Completely and purely exhausted. So we lasted like barely, 5 minutes? What? What the fuck?
1 kilometer.
We lasted 1 kilometer.
Hey bro, बोलना 3 किलोमीटर बोलना उनको क्या पता चल रहा है?
Okay, we lasted 3, and then 5.
Yeah, say we helped the locals come on the bike.
We didn't last for more than 5 minutes, I think. Halfway through, we realized that apparently we could take bikes up.
How much is it? Just 350 for one person and only up. Anup, 350 only up, not down.
So we had some bikes and now we are here. The problem is we are here and we have to wait for our friends to come up. So they're going to take some time. But we got 10% more to walk and that will take 15 minutes. So let's see. We still have a lot of hardship left.
Here are all the people coming up that we crossed on the way here. How was the walk, guys? Mad?
Oh, I like
But you did it, bro. 90%, you both. My goodness.
Yeah, but I was just telling Rohit, bro,
Crazy.
lifetime respect for you both.
But really it's difficult. Good you want to go bike.
it went very steep.
Anuj said there's mad respect
Hey,
for you
कौन
guys.
है अनुज यार? मार
Anup.
मेरे को इधर से फेंक दूंगा मैं तेरे
I'm
को.
so sorry. He said mad respect and everything, but right before that he said, so they come here, we should give them something, yaar. Let's give them 3 kicks and throw them into a swimming pool.
Right now, क्या view है guys? Wow! What a volcanic sunrise! Only the eyes is enjoying. Everyone else is like, wow, wow, wallah, Habibi, what a view! Come to mountain top, Habibi.
Trekking is not for everybody. Clearly.
Bro, it's not. Whoever is watching, for all the trekkers out there, massive respect. We have one friend right here and another ordering Indomie for us. But it's not for everyone, guys.
So tell me, how's the feeling?
This wind in this weather, oh yeah. So Anup finally made it to the top, but in every activity he has to do something or the other. No? So he's forgotten his flashlight somewhere and now it's lost.
Come on. Bro, come rolling down. Mount Batur avalanche. The avalanche from Punjab. Come on, jump. No, actually, don't jump. Volcano will erupt.
Bro, listen. If you come rolling down the mountain, you know what sound it will make? The sound will be ting-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
So we finally made it back down to where we started. Got done with the trek. I mean, trek what? We went up on a bike and came down on a bike. But for the people who are planning to do the Mount Batur trek, there are a few things to keep in mind. It's not easy, first of all. So if you have low stamina, you should try and avoid it. The view from the top is actually pretty cool. You can see the smoke coming out of the mountain, which is the lava, basically the heat from inside the volcano that's escaping. You do have to remember that there's a lot of wind and a lot of dust. He literally had to keep his jacket on throughout the time, even though it was hot.
I'm drenched.
Even though he was sweating because the dust was so strong. So yeah, we are a mess right now for sure, but then we didn't didn't know how dusty it was going to be. No one told us. So do keep your shades with you, your masks with you. You will need it for sure if you're planning the trek. The view from the top is worth it. If you're not a trekker, take a bike and go up. There's no big deal. You get there faster, you get to see the sunrise sooner. And the bike ride is pretty fun as well. So yeah, that was Mount Batur. Now we're just waiting for our daredevils and Anup, surprisingly, to walk back down. Here are the boys. Finally here.
Oh my god. Me 2 new legs.
Welcome back,
Oh my god.
Trekker boy. The main man is here. Bro.
No, that is for the camera, guys. I'm absolutely fine. See, ta-da!
How was the walk, bro?
Bro. Guys, if you want to go Mount Batur trip, first I would suggest go get yourself checked in the mind. I think you guys are mad. I think some kind of dementia you have. I woke up at 1 o'clock to be like this today. I'm clearly crazy, for sure.
He has crazy friends.
तो बोलता भाई जितने घोड़े मिलेंगे सब बेच डाल के सो जाओ, माउंट बैटू नहीं करना। कुछ नहीं है भाई, धुआं निकलता है। तेरे को हीट चाहिए, हीट तो गैस चालू कर, हाथ लगा उस पे, जल जा। Sorry, Adi, sorry. Pardon my friends.
Where was the French?
I'm telling you, right, if I wouldn't have cracked these jokes, I would have given up long back.
Yeah.
For me, this humor kept me going.
Yeah.
I told you, it's my coping mechanism.
Yeah.
And I kept slowing down wherever I wanted to walk slow. You people ran and went up also. I was like, sorry, yaar, French.
So now you guys decide and tell us, what do you think? How was that trek?
I am deciding, don't do.
I'm deciding for you.
Don't do it. Mount Batur, sit in a room and order chole batur.
Wow, that's where we were. Woof. Now we're here, literally like a minute away from where we had stopped to check out the hot spring.
Guys, have you met Satan? It was all his idea. Please face carefully.
Whole Bali trip was mine.
If you see him somewhere, run in the opposite direction, I'm telling you. I can't, I'm his very close friend, love him now, I can't do anything now.
Refreshing. Anup, feeling better?
Yeah, bro, better.
Much better. Thank you for booking this hot spring. It was bloody beautiful, yeah.
What galis I got for the Mount Batur bath.
For all the curses that we've given him for Mount Batur, especially Anup.
I loved it. For me, trekking was...
Like even for the people who didn't like the trek, this was ultra bliss, bro. It's like we stepped into paradise. All the pain and aches from the trek has just completely vanished.
The entire trip ka pain is gone.
Yeah, actually he's right. Ow. Like I said, paradise. A quick pit stop for lunch over here, which is 20 minutes away from Mount Batur. Oh wow, this place looks beautiful. So I'm here at Twist Tattoo. Today is the day, the moment of truth. Let's see, the tattoo looks good. I know where I'm going to get it placed, so let's see, hopefully it all works out fine and it actually ends up looking great. There's a surprise hidden in there for my wife, for Kanu. Hope she likes it. Everything I wanted is in this tattoo, so fingers crossed. Let's see.
And I'm here with Gurpreet. He's the only one here with me. Oh yeah!
How could I forget? We're the only two people getting a similar tattoo together. You guys will see what the tattoos are later. I'm sure you guys have seen the designs already. But the other three are fast asleep because this morning we went to Mount Batur. So I just told them that the other chairs are available. So let's see if they can be here in time, then we can all get our tattoos done together, which will be perfect. I can't believe I'm going through with it. I'm feeling as nervous as I felt when I was proposing to Kanu. So they just put the placement of the tattoo. That looks cool. Obviously, that's not going to be the tattoo. They're going to be filling it with black as well. So, okay, step 1 complete, and I am happy about it.
Wow. That looks cool. The placement looks great. Yeah, push.
Okay, here we go.
The tail moves. The tail moves. How are you feeling? Wow. Looking good, bro. Everyone's got crazy tattoos. Woo. Yeah, Kaushik, have some fries, na? What happened?
I can't move my hand right now.
So it's the last morning here, and this unreal trip is finally coming to an end. This whole thing has felt like a dream. We've gone underwater, we've gone snorkeling, we've climbed mountains, I don't know what not we've done over here. It's just been insane. Everything to the extremes, and all 5 of us eventually went through with our tattoos in the end, which is something I didn't expect that would happen, which is like a perfect cherry on top for the entire trip. It's been an amazing bonding experience with the best group of guys I could think of. I want to talk about the tattoo. Why this specific tattoo? Why a manta ray? Because when me and Kanu had come to Bali previously with family, we went snorkeling for the first time in our lives, that too in the Indian Ocean. And in our first dive, we saw around 70 manta rays. So that was a very overwhelming experience, and I wanted to capture that. So that's why the manta ray. The 5 stars, the 5 blue stars, represents the 5 of us on this trip. And the night we saw bioluminescence on the beach. That's why they're in blue. And of course, the letter K, which is on the manta ray, which is for Kanu. I think it's a perfect tattoo. If there was a tattoo that I could possibly get for myself, I think this was perfect. This is what we're leaving behind. Reality is slowly sinking in. But yeah, we got everything out of this trip. There's not a moment that we rested. And all 5 of us were always on the same page, which is kind of ridiculous. I mean, on trips, you normally have a few people who have some natak, some issues, or they want to break away from the group or do something by themselves. But here, all 5 of us completely in sync all the time, doing everything together. And that's how we managed to get so much done, going back home with amazing memories. Couldn't have asked more from this trip. See you on the other side.
A very sad goodbye.
What a last meal.
I think he died, bro. I think that is heaven. We don't know that. Life is going to take us to heaven.
Go try affogato.
Oh. Actually, it's genius. Wow.
Bye. See you.
See you.
Please don't let your back. Your back.
Just 2 of us, last 2 survivors. 3 boys have already left for Singapore. We're leaving for Kuala Lumpur, but this officially means that the boys' trip has come to an end. Until our next boys' trip, see you.